So you come in and tell me, Doc, 1 week na akong may sore throat, masakit lumunok, and parang may trangkaso. Pero meron din akong rashes dito sa may dibdib at parang pagod ako lagi. Then I check you, may rashes sa chest, sa likod, namamaga yung kulani, inflame yung throat, may konting lagnat, and at this point, hindi na to typical na sore throat lang. Then I gently ask, meron bang possible exposures recently? There's a condition that we consider here, that is early or acute HIV infection. Sa early stage ng HIV, hindi pa siya severe. Madalas, it looks like a non-specific viral infection. Sore throat, rash, fever, pagod, and generalized lymph nodes, lymphadenopathies, or kulani. Kaya minsan napapagkamalang trangkaso lang. And so I reassure you, this doesn't mean na HIV na agad, but it is something that we should check early because early testing is equals to early management in HIV. Hindi lahat ng sore throat, simple lang, especially if may kasamang rashes at kulani. If you have these symptoms and may possible risk exposures, okay lang magpa-test. Mas okay malaman na maaga. Because today, HIV is treatable, manageable, especially if caught early. Minsan, the most important step actually is asking the right question early.